Today we will learn 15 bird names. Let's start with the tiny tutors. Sparrow. S P A R R O W. Sparrow. Pigeon. P I G E O N. Pigeon. Peacock. P E A C O C K. Peacock. Parrot. P A R R O T. Parrot. Crow. C R O W. Crow. Hen. H E N. Hen. Owl. O W L. Owl. Duck. D U C K. Duck. Eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. Swan. S W A N. Swan. Ostrich. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. Woodpecker. W O O D P E C K E R. Woodpecker. Blue jay. B L U E J A Y. Blue jay. Goose. G O O S E. Goose. Cardinal. C A R D I N A L. Cardinal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the Tiny Tutors.